92% of developers now use AI coding tools. That's not a prediction, that's the reality of 2026. So the question is your job about to disappear? Just a year ago, AI coding assistants were a novelty, something you tried out of curiosity. Today, they're as essential as your IDE. The shift happened fast and it caught a lot of people off guard. Here's the hard data. Daily AI tool users report saving 3.6 hours per week on average. That's almost a full half day of productivity gained every single week. Let's talk about the big players. First up, GitHub Copilot. It's the industry standard for a reason. Best for everyday autocomplete, inline suggestions, and eliminating boilerplate. If you're only going to use one tool, this is probably it. Next is Cursor. This is the power tool for experienced developers. Its strength is multi-file refactoring. When you need to change something across your entire code base, Cursor handles it like nothing else. Then there's Claude Code by Anthropic. The big advantage? It gets the code right on the first try. Less debugging, fewer iterations, and the output is clean enough to ship. And finally, Devin, the fully autonomous coding agent. It can build entire features on its own. Sounds amazing, right? But it's still unpredictable and needs heavy oversight. So what's actually being replaced? Entry-level tasks, research, data organization, writing boilerplate code, and simple repetitive workflows. AI agents handle all of this autonomously now. But here's the key insight. Senior engineers are safe. AI still cannot do system architecture, complex problem solving, or make high-level design decisions. It augments senior developers rather than replacing them. Wall Street is adding even more pressure. Investors are pushing CEOs hard. Automate with AI or lose your position. Companies that refuse to adopt are getting punished in the market. So what skills actually matter now? Architecture, system design, and creative problem solving. These are the things AI still struggles with. Focus your energy here. The winning strategy? Combine your tools. Use Copilot for fast autocomplete, then bring in Claude Code or Cursor for complex multi-file changes. That combination is incredibly powerful. Here's the action plan. Start learning AI coding tools now. They are no longer optional. If you wait, you'll fall behind developers who are already using them every single day. Here's the bottom line. AI won't replace great developers, but developers who use AI will absolutely replace those who don't. That's the reality of 2026. Which AI coding tool should I review in depth next? Drop it in the comments. And if this was useful, hit subscribe for more developer insights in the AI era. See you in the next one.